Hey my Tiffany G inspired friends, welcome back to my budget friendly glamorous life. I am super excited for today's video. As always, today's video I am showing you how I organized my son's closet. This of course is the before and how crazy it looks. This top shelf was how it's been since we moved in here a year ago. So I'm super excited to show you the after, and I am excited to get into this. Like I'm showing you up here, this top area we didn't use in any of their closets until now. We are utilizing every inch of everyone's closet, so I'm excited to show you. Everything will be in the description box below so that you can too purchase as many of the items as I can. Link below I will. So without further ado, let me show you the after on his closet. Okay everyone, so here is the after of his closet. We legit took off the doors. We'll put them back on, but I just wanted to show you like this, and I am super excited for how it turned out. It is so nice and clean and organized, and Kenan loves it himself. He walked in and was like, wow. So yeah, I'm going to tell you where I purchased everything. The links will be in my description below, because you know I love sharing where I purchase everything. I want you all to save money too. You know, your girl did this on a budget. I will say I did this on a $150 budget, so yeah, that's really good for all of this. I legit just stepped on the Lego. But yeah, so I'm really excited, and let's get into telling you where I purchased everything. Do not judge this pole right here. We are going to paint it eventually. I just didn't have time to do it today, but I just wanted to point that out there. It's just like little things I want to do touch-ups on. But yeah, let's get into this super nice budget-friendly closet. Alright guys, so let's start up here with this lovely large basket. I picked this up from Target, and it was, I would say it was like $7.99 or $6.99, one of those. I love the color. It's like a soft mint green. You will see this color throughout Kenan's room. I absolutely love it. These are actually his room colors. Yeah, so I got that from Target, and in this large basket I'm going to put like blankets and sheets and all of that, fresh blankets and sheets and all of that in there. So when I need something, I'll just pull that basket down, which is super easy to pull down because it has like all these little holes in it. And so I'll just put like some blankets and things like that he needs, you know, on his bed. And next to this is the cube. I got the cube from, a lot of this stuff I actually got from Target. The 4 cube, I don't know what to call it, a dresser or whatever. It's from Target as well. It was only $27.99. And then the little cube inserts were on sale for $4, so I got those. And oh, so in here I'm gonna basically put like out of season items. Like right now, and he has like some, oh, you know, there's a little crayon and stuff on there, don't judge me. Like in these he has like some summer stuff, bathing suits, like his trunk, some little sandals to go to the beach and all that stuff in there. So these are gonna be like the out of season items that I'm going to keep in here, and things he doesn't really need, so it's like sight unseen. So we don't really have to deal with this stuff, and I don't have to see it. And once the spring and summer comes, I'll take that stuff off and replace it with some of the things that I don't need from every other place. Like there's some jackets that can probably fit up there, but you know, other things will fit other places. But this is for the most part like out of season items or things that I do not want to see right now. So that's that. And also for those who were maybe thinking like, is that too heavy for up there? It's not. This is very sturdy. at the top they did a good job with having that. It's just that this side is a little heavier than that side, so once the blankets and all of that come in here, it should be good. Yeah, everything should hold up very well with that. So I have no I'm not like scared it's gonna fall or anything. It's like pretty far back and all. So yeah, so let's move. And once again, do not mind that pole up there, you guys. Here I have Kinnen's jackets. Like, if you hear toys, like legit, I'm still getting some stuff together, and there's like a toy bucket behind me. But right here we just have some nice cool jackets. This jacket is this is my absolute favorite for Ken. I got that from Shein, but we're not going to talk about clothes, my little fashion kid. But yeah, here's some of his jackets, jean jackets and things like that I do not need to fold down there, and it fits perfectly here. And this middle piece is from Burlington Coat Factory. It was, and I had this for a while, I say it's either $10.99 or $12.99. I'm thinking $12.99 for this. It was no more than $12.99. It was either $10 or $12. I remember that because I have a gold one too for Nale. And I got these little book dividers here from Dollar Tree. They're really cute. They're like little elephants to sit up there. His books here, and then one of his little stuffed animals that I got from Target Seller Spot. And right here I have his tablet just sitting here, so when he needs it he can just grab it and then put it back, so we always know where it is. So yeah, here I have his daily essentials, like right here. Like, I'm like, Ken, grab your glasses. He loves glasses, and you know we need a mask, so he can grab a mask out of here. And here, I feel like I said here like 1,000 times already, but this is a dresser drawer that I got from Amazon. I've been showing you all this on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I give direct links. I do everything, especially in my stories. So I live by these dresser drawers. Nala has one in the rose gold, and like I said, I will link as much as I can below in the description. But I absolutely love these dresser drawers, and they are pretty deep. Ooh, my knees, y'all. The crackling of my knees. They're pretty deep, so he's gonna get a lot of pairs of jeans in this one. And it's super easy to set up. My husband set it up in like less than 10 minutes. I set up my daughter's. It took like 15. But it does not take long to set this up. It's super easy. It is very sturdy, so that's why I like it. And it's very nice looking. So that's good. So in the top drawer, I'm probably going to keep like his socks and underwear. I'm going to get like a divider for that. Maybe some undershirts and t-shirts in here, some just like regular shirts, and down there I'm going to do like his pants down there. So I'm still figuring out where I'm going to put everything, but so far that's going to work for us. So let's go over here, and this is his little shoe department here. He has more to put down here, but as he grows out of shoes, like I give them away a lot. So we have some that he wears a lot, and then I have to switch some things out, like those can go right now and different things. So but I'm just sorting out right now and seeing how everything fits, and for the most part everything fits. Like his Uggs down there, his little cowboy boots, everything is fitting really well. And at the top I put slippers so he can just grab those. Yes, I need a drawer for pajamas, so pajamas are probably going to go at the bottom. I didn't think about that. So yeah, I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put everything, and then I'll let you guys know on my Instagram of how I set it up. Oh yeah, and these also come in different sizes. They have wide ones, they have ones that are much taller than this that will go up more. So they have many different sizes. So if you're looking for one bigger than this or smaller than this, they have that for you. So let's go over here. I absolutely love this, and I purchased this from Target, and it was only $10. I thought that was a really great deal for Target. I don't know why. I always feel like sometimes Target, although I love this place, sometimes I feel like things are a little more pricier. So when I see something for $10 and under, I get a little hyped up. But this is really, really nice. I wish I can find one like this for Nala, but I haven't. Like, I have like the organizer like this, but this bottom piece is amazing, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to use everything for. This part obviously is going to be used for hats like these. This one I'm probably going to use it for his like gloves and hats on the go. That makes it so much easier. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in here. I'm not sure at all. And then this is where he's going to put in like his dirty clothes, and all I have to do is unhook it, as you can see. It unhooks, and I can take it to the laundry room and then hook it back. So I thought this was a great deal actually. I'm going to try to link this. I'm not sure if they still have it in stock, but this is such a great deal. You already know this basket is from Dollar Tree. This basket is from Dollar Tree as well. So give me some ideas of maybe what I can put in here. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I'll find something, but I'm not sure of where I'm going to put it. And I totally forgot to tell you where I got the organizer from. Like, I'm super excited about this closet. I never told you where I got this from. So this, oh my gosh, my knees, guys, you hear it? I got this shoe organizer from Amazon, as well as this one. So I will link those as well, and they will also be in my Amazon store. So if you have the link to my store, you can go straight there and find it. But I love this, and this was $35. This was the most expensive item in this but the showing of the closet. This was more so $50. Sometimes you can find them for like $45, but I feel like it's so worth it, and it makes everything, you know, look really good and balanced out. And I need to move this Lego pile behind me. But so yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little closet makeover. I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, these gold baskets. I know we're forgetting to say something. The gold baskets are from Dollar Tree. So make sure you check out Dollar Tree. They really have some amazing things. So Dollar Tree, Burlesque Factory, Target, and Amazon. They will have all of your organization needs for super, super cheap. So you cannot go wrong with everything that I have in here. And the next video, well, I don't want to say next video because I'm still trying to find something for her closet, but I'm going to show you how I organize my daughter's closet as well, so you all can see a little girl's closet. And I'm really excited. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and hit that subscribe button if you want to join the Tifany J Inspired family, that notification bell so you do not miss any uploads from me. I have a lot of budget friendly items and hauls and all of that coming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.